If you need to display Modbus process variables or messages in a safe or hazardous area, BEKA has a range of easy-to-use Modbus RTU slave displays which will satisfy the majority of applications. Panel mounting models have IP66 fronts, and the field mounting instruments have an impact-resistant IP66 GRP enclosure. All models have a backlit 120 by 64 pixel screen which can simultaneously display up to 8 process variables, together with their units of measurement and tag description on one of 11 standard screen formats, some with bar graphs. 1, 2, 4, or 8 process variables may be shown on a common screen. Alternatively, variables can be shown on separate screens, which the operator or the Modbus master can select. If none of the standard screens is suitable, custom screens can be developed using the free BEKA screenwriter software. Plain language messages can also be displayed. The panel mounting models have 6 front panel push buttons which can provide operator acknowledgements or controls when their Modbus registers are polled by the Modbus master. If large industrial push buttons are required for operator control, external switches can be wired to the Modbus display and function in place of the front panel push buttons. All models have 2 isolated single-pole Modbus-controlled switch outputs, which can be used for switching low power loads such as panel lamps, sounders, and beacons. The intrinsically safe models have isolated single-pole solid-state switch outputs, and the general-purpose models have higher power relay contact outputs. All the field-mounting models have a robust IP66 GRP enclosure with a separate terminal compartment. Features are the same as the panel mounting instruments, except the field mounting models only have 4 front panel push buttons, although 6 external push buttons can be connected. The panel and field mounting intrinsically safe models have IEC-EX and ATEX certification and may be installed in Zone 1 or 2. They also have FM approval for use in Division 1 or 2 in the USA and in Canada. Power and communication is via a 2-wire connection from a BEKA BA201 communications isolator in the safe area, which has an RS232 and RS485 port for connection to a Modbus master or network. A single BA201 communications isolator can power and communicate with 2 BEKA Modbus displays or 4 displays if a 3-wire configuration is used. For general-purpose applications, 24-volt powered panel and field mounting Modbus displays with an RS485 or an RS232 port are available. They have the same features as the certified Hazardous area models, except for 5 amp relay outputs in place of the lower power solid-state outputs on the Hazardous area models. BEKA Modbus displays are versatile instruments which can also function with other protocols. Each display contains a simple menu which allows the user to define the instrument as a Modbus slave, set the instrument address, select the communication parameters and the screen format. This menu is accessed by the display push buttons and may be protected by a user-definable 4-digit code. More information about the application of Modbus displays is available in the instruction manual and BEKA Modbus Interface Guide, which may be downloaded from the BEKA website at beka.co.uk, together with datasheets and certificates. In addition to this printed literature, please email support@beka.co.uk if you require assistance with display configuration or wish to discuss your application and requirements with one of our engineers.